Hi guys. So like I said, I am completely asynchronous today. So you're going to watch these instructions and do the activities. I am available by Remind. So if at any point you're confused, you have questions, for sure hit me up on Remind. So you have two things you need to do today. The first one is the third and final soil lecture. So like always, you will watch the lecture, take notes from the lecture, and then answer the associated study guide questions. In addition, since we are doing agriculture as part of this unit, we're going to look at one of the ways that we can help with food waste. So one of the big problems in our country, or almost all developing country, is mass amounts of food waste. One of the things that we throw away are all of those vegetable scraps. And so like, let's say I'm going to make my family a salad and I cut off the green part of my romaine lettuce and I throw away the stump of it. Believe it or not, you can regrow from some of your vegetable scraps. And this might help with some of our food waste. It would also decrease our food costs. So let me just share my screen with you. I will tell you that my IB bio class has already done this activity, and they had great success with everything but the potatoes. And it's not that they weren't going to eventually have success with the potatoes, it's just that potatoes take a long time. All right, here is soil lecture part 3. This is what you're doing today, which is growing from scrap. So if I were to click on that, you can see that this is due October 15th. You're going to take an observation every 3 to 4 days. So when I click on, it's going to talk about the different things that you could grow. Now, there are things that aren't on this list, like you can regrow an avocado tree from the seed of the avocado. You can usually get tomato plants from tomato seeds that are in the actual tomato. But these are the list of things. And again, this potato wasn't very successful, but the rest I've seen good success with. Everyone did green onion, or a lot of people, because that was what was in the picture. You can do that, or you can branch out. The idea here is that you're not going out and shopping for a vegetable to do this with, that you or mom or dad or your guardian makes dinner and you have leftovers of the scraps that didn't go into your stir fry. And so that's what you would use. Think about like if I were to make fajitas and I'd have a bell pepper, the center of that bell pepper is full of seeds. I could probably plant those seeds and get new bell peppers from it. If you're going to sprout in water, here are the things that you can sprout in water and the procedure. If you're going to sprout in soil, here are some things that you can sprout in soil and the procedure. If you're doing things that are off book, like the bell pepper or the tomato or the avocado, just do some research. There is tons of information out there on how to do this. Some general tips for you. And then here is your log for what you get as far as progress. And then just some general questions for you. If you have any questions about this lab or any other assignments or even the Restarted School, feel free to hit me up and remind. Otherwise, I will see some of you in person on Tuesday and some of you in person on Thursday, and most of you by Zoom at some point during the week. Bye, guys.